Look, it's spring. Well, early summer. Late spring, early summer. Isn't it beautiful? There are butterflies everywhere and birds singing. Can you see the roof of my house, the skylight? Possibly not. It depends on the camera and the glare. Look, it's all magic. Everything's magical. Just beautiful leaves shining. There's been some rain recently, so everything shines. Those golden leaves are golden robinia, I think, over there. I've been walking all around my grounds. Listen to the cicadas. Can you hear them? What a beautiful day, a perfect day.